Hello guys, and welcome to this video about sequences and series plus one, because it's still a lot to do about this topic. Okay, and last time we defined what a sequence is. What sequence and series are. Okay, and today our priority is to talk about arithmetic sequences, right? And we have the definition of a sequence. This, for example, a sequence, and in between there is a pattern, which means the number you add to one term to go to the next. And you can see, as you can see, it is plus 4, right? And they will go on and on until 25, unto the infinity if you continue. Okay, and if we do the same process backward, we will have minus 4, minus 4, minus 4 until 1. This difference here, or difference by adding or subtracting, right? It's called a common difference, right? And it's noticed D. Okay, and anytime you have a sequence, which you can add the same number, the same value, or subtract the same value to go to the next term or to the former term, it is an arithmetic sequence, right? So that's what we are doing today. And so then I've got an example right here. We have to find the common difference in the next term of this sequence here below. As you can see, we said before that it is by adding or subtracting, and we got the same value, right? So if you subtract 11 minus 3, you have 8. You go on, 19 minus 11 gives you 8, 27 minus 19 gives you 8, and 35 minus 27 gives you 8. So we notice that the common difference here, D, is 8, and that's a result, the first result of our question, first answer to our question. And then they are asking us to find the next term of the sequence, right? It could be the 2 or 3 next terms, but we just have one here. And as we're saying, by adding or subtracting, we can just add the common difference of the last one to get to the next one, and we can continue doing that, going on and on until the infinity, right? And adding 8 to 35 here, we got 43, and that's the result. So how it works? Okay, then another difference, we have 5. This is actually the difference we took at the beginning. And this difference, we will do the same process, right, to get 4, and then we can have the 2 next term of the sequence. And so this whole thing is put up together in a formula that is this one you can see here, D equal to AN plus 1 minus AN. What does that mean? That in a sequence, the first term is the AN or A0 number. You can put 0, you can even put 0 there, right? Like I did here, A1, A2, A3, it all depends on what you got. You can put A0. A0 will be the first term. To go to the next one, you have to have A0 plus 1, so it will be A1 here. And A0 plus 2 will give you the third term, the second term. A0 plus 3 will give you the third term, and so on. Okay, and that's what this formula is talking about. So we need is to find the common difference anytime we are in need. Okay, and you can see this is another difference, but it's everything the same, right? It is only about knowing that you're going to add or subtract the same value to go from one term to the next, or to go backward. Okay, and that's the common difference in arithmetic sequences. Okay guys, thank you for watching me, and we will meet next time in the next video. In that next video, we'll be talking about the nth number of a sequence. Basically the nth number is like a number which is far away, like the 1,000 and something like that numbers, right? The nth, right? And we will be talking also about the sum of the nth first number. That's what we did before in a previous video, but this one we're going to go more in details and give some more examples to understand better this topic. Okay, So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye bye.